Hi, in this video, we will be talking about how to merge two duplicate customers. Have you ever faced the problem of creating two different customers who end up being same? Don't worry, we can get you to merge those customers. To begin with, let me show you that I have two customers created from the same name, but in order to merge these two customers, all what I have to do is go to customers and merge them. But before that, let me show you what will be the impact of it. Let's say Brian entered my store 4 times this week, and we end up creating three different orders on the same Brian and the last one on a different Brian. But I want to merge all of these. What I have to do is I have to go in the customer menu, click on merge option, choose the original Brian on the left hand side and the duplicate one on the right hand side. Make sure that you check the ledger name, customer address, total due and pending pieces, because once you merge the customers, this command is irreversible. You cannot segregate these two Brians now. If you're sure of your merging, click on merge customer. QTC will give you a pop-up. Are you sure you want to merge this customer? Click on OK. Customer merge is now successful. Now let's go back to reports and check the details. I choose the filter for current week. Now you see all the four orders are now on the same name. Similarly, when you go to the home page, when you search for Brian, you'll only get one option. You click on the customer and you'll see that all the orders are now under the same customer name. I hope this video helps, and now you can merge the customers successfully.